Hello guys! Ngayon, maggawa tayo ng matcha. Pour here. And we leave space for the foam.
Masarap ba to?
Kita natin ngayon. It means we'll see now.
Tignan natin, kita natin.
So, kitain natin daw ngayon. Hindi na tignan natin.
Kita natin.
Oo, kita na natin yung gatas. Ang matcha ni Hen, napaka-healthy. Masarap. Mashallah.
I think we're gonna add a little bit more.
Wow.
That's it.
Mashallah. Mashallah. So, ready to drink na to. This for who?
For you.
For me and your mom?
Yeah.
Wow.
But where did we keep our...
I saw your straw is
Gusto ka
there.
gamit ka dyan?
Mama, tawa ka.
So, Tagalog ka na.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mix. At sa Tagalog, halo-halo.
Halo. Okay. halo and... Mama.
Halo.
Mama, what is that? حلا. لونه بنفسجي. لونه purple.
Purple.
Eh, sweet can.
Diba halo-halo?
Halo.
But this one, green halo-halo.
Yeah.
Matcha. Oh, ganda.
Bon appetit.
Thank you, Hen.